Hello all. Today we have an interesting little brass 10-wheeler, and of all things S-gauge, 3/16 scale. Appears to be scratch built with die-cast wheels. The pilot wheels are stamped Pittsburgh. I don't know who made those, but all just sheet brass, all handmade trucks with a Pitman type motor inside. I assume this dates from the 50s of some period. Beautiful little wood burner. It's interesting that only the rear drivers are flanged and the front pilot pivots, so it kind of drags it around on the curves. After a little bit of work on it, we got it to run. I hope someday to find some passenger cars to go along with this. It did have an operating valve gear at one time, but I felt happy to just get it to run at this point. Well, thank you very much. Not too much scratch-built S-gauge out there. Thank you for watching. If you like old vintage trains, subscribe to my channel. We'll see a lot more. Thank you.